Was that Red Hot Chili Peppers? That's supposed to be. Waves right here to snorkel, but we can snorkel.
Oh, you went for it.
Hey, boom! Go back there. Oh man, it's officially day 7 and we are packed up. Everything's packed up. I don't know if those 2 suitcases might be over 50 pounds, so hopefully not. Hopefully we're good. We'll find out tonight, late tonight when we get to the airport. But right now we don't have to check out till noon. It's like 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna go hit the beach, maybe go in the water for a while, come back here, check out, put our luggage at the bell desk because they said they could hold it for us. We just gotta tip them. You don't even have to tip them, probably. It's just all free. And then we're gonna hang around, maybe go to the bar. Then we have a catamaran, hour-and-a-half sail at 3 p.m. So that'll be cool. Hopefully we see some sea life out there. But catamaran leaves from like right down here, and it was only $55 per person, so about 100 bucks, 110 bucks. And then we'd be back at 4:30. Come back here. They said there's showers and stuff like that we can still use even if you're checked out. So we'll shower up, whatever, get ready, and then hang out here till probably, I don't know, 6:30, 7, and then catch an Uber to the airport. And then our plane leaves at like 9:40 tonight. So we'll be flying all night long, getting to Seattle tomorrow morning, and then fly from Seattle back to DC. It's just gonna be a long ass day, but so I'm gonna drink a bunch of beer today so I can sleep on the plane, because I'm not good at sleeping on the planes. That's right. You ready to go? Last day?
Last day.
Oh yeah. We got coffees, iced coffees.
Or should I say ice creamer?
Yeah. And yeah.
Lots of coffee.
Creamer with a little bit of coffee. And now we are going in the water. Find a bathroom first, and then in the water. We have a reservation at 12:45 at, what's it called? Hau Tree? Hau Tree. We'll see what it's like. It's supposed to be right in the water. Check this tree out though. This is what's this tree called?
Banyan.
Banyan tree? Look at that massive thing. It smells though. I don't know what comes off of it that smells good. Yeah. So there's a shit ton of these rental surfboards, and you can get lessons. We see these all over the beaches. So there's no shortage of surfboards if you want to rent a surfboard and get lessons. You don't even have to get lessons. You just rent a surfboard and go out. So here's another one. Rent surfboards, chairs, all that good stuff. Umbrellas. We're gonna go put our stuff over here by these trees, and we're gonna head out into the water. Waikiki, baby. I don't know where Ease is at. She went to the bathroom. I'm out here chilling by myself. Maybe sure I don't drop my phone in the water. It's gorgeous.
Go girl. Yeah, I see your turn.
Okay. This is it. We're checking out.
Last day.
We went to the beach earlier. We just packed up everything. We're gonna go take it down to the bell desk, check out, and then walk over and have a nice seaside brunch and a catamaran sail, and then head to the airport. It's gonna be a long ass 2 days here,
That's right.
but it was so worth it. Hawaii is amazing. Oh man, we just calculated everything. About $4,000 for the entire trip.
Yeah.
That's flights, everything included. Is about 4,000 we spent. So.
Yeah.
Not bad at all for 7 days, and we lucked out. We had some freaking awesome weather.
Yeah. Weather was crazy good.
Yeah, we stayed at 3 different places. Like, this has just been awesome. So
We'll be back.
see you in a little bit. What you doing?
I'm just rolling up my hat, waiting for our brunch reservation.
We're at the Hau Tree, but this is a different hotel. I forget the name of it. It's got good vibes. This is the restaurant right here overlooking the ocean, so we're just waiting. Thank you. Very nice. This is our view.
Yep, I got a fish sandwich.
Fish sandwich. I got the burger.
Michael got the burger.
Burger.
Yep.
Some fries. And my margarita. I'm ready to go.
Ready to go.
Round 2 on the drinks. I got the Hawaii Life from Maui Brewing Company. These is triple fisting over here. Now she got a brew, she's got a coffee brew. She's just living the Hawaii life.
That's right.
Yeah. And the view.
We're still hanging out.
We're just walking back from our brunch. We have about an hour and a half till the catamaran. So we're gonna go find another bar probably and have a beer. Might as well. Look how beautiful it is here. Everybody's just vibing. So we are beat down, or we got our bellies full, and we have a lot of drinks in our bellies too, and we got more drinks. See that? At the ABC store, we picked up 2 high noons, and now we're chilling at the Marriott, just putting our feet up and waiting for the catamaran to start. You ready for this, Isa? We're about to board the catamaran. That's our next ride. And it's a gorgeous day. This is a really nice catamaran. They have a bar right here. Check it out. Captain sits right here. Let me check out the captain's gig here. Hey, look at that steering wheel. All right. People are boarding. That's where we climb up right there. Isa's back there. That's pretty cool. She just did that with a conch shell. About to run over some surfers here. I don't know how they all catch the same damn wave anyway. Look at all these damn surfers. And we're trying to roll a catamaran through here. Now we're sailing. Look at that bad boy. Waikiki. These guys sailing into Waikiki. He's a sailing out of Waikiki. In the deep blue. It's the captain driving right there. There he is. Yeah. Oh, put your tail up. Put your tail up. Nice.
There's two. There's 2 of them. Look at it.
Oh, pretty. Yep, I got it. We just seen whales. as we're heading back in. Hopefully we got them on video. She's saying get the hell out the way because we're about to moor up right there. We're about to beach this thing. Move over, man. We're about to beach this thing right here. This marks the end of the vacation. When we beach this thing, it's probably the end of vacation because we're going to get our luggage and going to the airport. Damn. But it's been a hell of a ride. Hell of a ride.
Go out tonight and get drunk and lonely. Wind up home alone, please don't call me. Say you miss me, no. So if you're gonna break my heart, just break it. And if you're gonna take a shot, take it. If you made up your mind,
Alright, we just finished the catamaran and Isa went to the, what's it called? Poke what?
Poke bar.
Poke bar. And she got a poke bowl. And I got like a Chipotle one, but it's from this OMG Mexican place. Check this out. There you go. So it's pretty much like Chipotle. I'm gonna try this poke. And then we're gonna head to the airport. Oh, actually we might catch a sunset and then the airport. We're trying to get the rest, the most out of this last day. Catamaran was awesome, by the way. Freaking fantastic. And Isa didn't get sick. So that's an A++. Isa? It's been a ride. This is our last sunset. Yep. She's calling an Uber right now, heading to the airport. Makes me really sad. I know, but I'm still sad. We have to end it. I mean, who would want to end this? I mean, look at this. Look at the sunset. We got Waikiki sunset. I mean, I don't know. But we're finally going to sign off. We'll see you at the airport. Give him a last shaka. Shaka.